all. In today's class of business studies, we will do the next topic, coordination. It is an important topic. Coordination simply means teamwork. It means a bond. It means giving support or helping others. So here it is written, apart from these 5 functions, as I discussed yesterday, there are 5 functions of management. Names are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. So apart from these functions, there is one more important function which every manager has to perform. This is called coordination. It is not only a function, but it is the essence of management. Yes, this statement is very important to note down. Essence of management means it is very important principle of management. It is the beauty of management. If coordination is there, then proper management is possible. In that case only, the process by which manager synchronizes the activities of different departments is known as coordination. As we know, in every company or in every organization, there are many departments like HR, human resource department, like IT, information technology, like production department, like sales and marketing department, like R&D, research and development department, like finance department, and many other department also. So they are working themselves for different tasks. They are working for completion of different tasks. So the process by which manager synchronizes means joins. The process by which manager joins the activities of different departments is known as coordination. After that, coordination is the force that binds all the other functions of management. This is important one. Coordination is like a force that binds all other functions of management. Coordination is the base. Yes, very important. Coordination is the base or primary function of every manager, because various department of organization are working independently. Yes, as I already told, departments are working for their work only. Production department is related to production of goods. Similarly, marketing is related with marketing of goods. HR is related with hiring and firing of people. Similarly, IT department is related with computer or internet related tasks. So every department has different tasks. So coordination is the function or a way in which a manager can try to join or relate or coordinate all the activities with together. So there is a need to relate and integrate activities of different departments. Coordination is considered the essence of management. It is very important to note down, coordination is known as essence of management because of following reasons. Coordination is needed to perform all the functions. Yes, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling can only be possible with the help of coordination. If our activities are joined together, they are related together, they are synchronized, then it is the possibility we can do the work properly, we can manage properly, or we can perform all the functions properly. Coordination is required at all the levels. I already have discussed there are 3 levels of management: top, middle, lower. So coordination is required at all the levels. Last, coordination is the most important function of organization. As we have studied, coordination is the base or primary function of management. So yes, it is most important function of organization. Here is the diagram which adds coordination into the functions. So coordination is the center point here, coordination is the focus point here, coordination is the main or essence point of management. Afterwards, there are 5 functions which I had discussed already: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. So we can say coordination is one of the important functions of management. Only with the help of coordination we can achieve other functions of management like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. So the base of every function, base of every level of management is coordination. Coordination simply means teamwork, it simply means bonding, it simply means relation, it simply means joining, it simply means integration. So there are many words for coordination, but the important meaning of coordination is just for singleness, means unity of efforts, means every employee should fulfill organizational goals while working into groups, not separately. Okay class, thank you for today.